This is the Toyota Avensis 2006 model with a 2.2 D4D 150 engine and a 6-speed manual gearbox. How do you change a cup holder that no longer works? How do you replace it with a new one? Well, first of all, you'll need one of these. I'm not sure the technical name, but it's basically a plastic lever, and it's designed for interior trim so you don't scratch anything or what have you. Now what you'll need to do first, this is the way I do it anyway, there may be better ways. The first thing you need to do, you need a bit of confidence first of all. Now you can get your fingernails inside here, but the best way is just to get the fattest end possible and just kind of lever it out a little bit. There. And then once you've got the end bit out, you can just work your way along and you can hear it popping off. And once you got so far along, this just pulls out. And before you pull it out right, the passenger airbag and window heater is plugged in by a little clip here. Now you need to get your finger behind here, and there's a little clip which you push in and take this out. So you can see that little bit of plastic there, you would press in and that releases from this part here. So now you've got this whole thing off. You can see there's 3 Phillips screwdriver head things there. Let's take them off. It's easier when you've got 2 hands to do this. And this is a 3rd and final screw for the cup holder. That just slides off there. There we go. Just out of interest, you can see straight away why the old one isn't working. The new one, you can see this it's kind of like a spring. Goes from there all the way back here. You can see it's kind of raveled back on itself, so that just doesn't work anymore. So I got this off eBay from a guy in Ireland for 10 quid plus postage, so it was 15 quid overall. And I went to Toyota and they quoted me £55 plus VAT. Before I put this cup holder back in, I'm going to just apply a little bit of Vaseline right in there, just because this one came off a 2004 model, so this is 12-year-old. So just to make sure it lasts a few more years, I'm going to just get a bit of Vaseline. Find a clean bit and just put a little along there. And a little bit on here. You can see where it's worn away in the past. So this'll help loads this. Work it through a little bit. There's 2 little guides there and there, and they go in holes there and there. Then you can go ahead and screw this back on. Great. Now we just need to apply the switch, the wire to the back of the rear demister and passenger airbag. If I had a friend, I would get my friend to hold the back of this and clip that in. Okay. Now then, you'll notice there's a little guide there. Now this sticks right in the back there, so as you're sticking this in, just have a bit of a feel, make sure that feels right when it goes back in there. There, that feels good. Now I'm going to press firmly. I now have a cup holder. The joys of life.